Hello mga friendship, at today's video we are going to try the Costco chicken wings. Yeah. It's very big and looks so good mga friendship. The flavor is garlic pepper. Yeah, garlic pepper mga friendship. We are going to try this mga friendship from Costco. Can't wait. And it's very cheap price mga friendship in Costco. And they season with party mix. Yeah, mga friendship, garlic pepper. So let's try it. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, mga friendship, it's so good. Let's try it. Cheers.